my name is Hadley Brillhart, and this is for the NSDA National Tournament. I have something to admit. I have a guilty pleasure. The Great British Bake Off. It's addicting to watch people get upset over failed treats, and the British accents do add a lot. But don't judge me. There are a lot of people that feel this way. In fact, the seasonal show attracts 10.4 million viewers in America, which made me wonder, why do we enjoy watching other people bake and fail? In a society that connects through food, it's ironic that we find fulfillment in watching other people's failed attempts. So, today we're going to explore the depth of baking shows within America. First, let's sift through the past to see how baking shows originated. Next, we'll mix everything together to recognize the integration of baking shows in American life. And finally, we'll bake the cake to expose how baking shows reflect our achievement-based culture. TV baking actually originated off-screen. In 1924, the Betty Crocker School of the Air played on the radio, giving listeners helpful baking tips. During World War II, these tips shifted from the radio to television in order to promote rationing-friendly recipes. When imports were disrupted, people were encouraged by baking shows to conserve food. But these television series weren't just about rationing wartime supplies. Wednesday shows would advise viewers on healthy eating, while Saturday shows featured international recipes. Baking programs became a way of communicating to the public on a broader scale. Today, people tune into baking shows for the same reasons: instruction, satisfaction, and of course, the fight. We as Americans find fulfillment in the reality TV aspect of baking because of the drama and hierarchy of success. Brendan Rooney, director of psychology, explains that people are perceptually sensitive to natural interactions, organic responses, and unpracticed facial expressions. So, we are attracted to the realness of failure that baking shows provide. Americans have been starved, not just literally, but also emotionally. Watching baking programs has been proven to reduce emotional hunger by watching some bakers prosper while others fail drastically. Now, while seemingly good-natured, baking shows do play a key role in our achievement-based culture. Compass Education explains that society thrives on a highly competitive, performance-oriented, unblemished self. I myself am guilty of this, as I cheer on the best bakers and make fun of those who burn their brownies. We as people are aware of the success hierarchy in the workplace and within our schools, but completely miss it in the wholesome display of TV baking. However, our achievement-based culture has seeped into every aspect of American life, baking shows included. Now, the perfectionistic aspect of baking goes beyond the television and appears on apps such as YouTube and TikTok, other media outlets where food and success can coexist. Baking shows are not inherently bad. It is entertaining to watch people create tasty treats. There is an opportunity to learn new recipes and hear contestant stories. However, it is essential that we recognize the significance of our achievement-based culture in American society. If we are able to recognize the underlying issues within baking shows, we can take the proper action to not become victims of achievement-based culture. It's really a piece of cake.